Hello, this is Dr. Gondikonda Reddy. I would like to explain the construction of a hyperbola when the distance of the directrix from focus is given and eccentricity is given. And also we are going to have tangent and normal to the curve for this hyperbola. So just see the question how it reads. Construct a hyperbola with the distance of the focus and the directrix as 50 mm and the eccentricity as 3/2. Also draw normal and tangent to the curve at a point 30 mm from the directrix. This is the question that they are given. How we have to proceed when the question is given like this. See here in this question, just I will tell you about this how we have to proceed. So first he has given the distance between the directrix and focus. So that is given, we are writing for all things, all conic sections, that is the distance is OF1 is equivalent to 50. So take OF1 is equivalent to 50 like as this. See, this is the directrix I am writing here. Just see here. Use 2H pencil here, axis representation. Long line dot, long line dot, long line dot, long line. Then we have to draw the axis for this. Perpendicular to this, use a perpendicular scale in mini drafter. You must use mini drafter like not like as me scale. So because to get perpendicular, we have to use the mini drafter. So draw the axis. See, long line dot, long line dot, long line dot. This much is enough. What I feel at this moment. So what is it is? We know it is O. It is O, and F1 is the focus at the distance of 50 mm from directrix. It is the directrix, and it is the 50 mm. So I am marking this as F1. So we know this is directrix. Don't write like this, but to understand you, I am writing it. It is the axis. Now we have to take this distance 50. So this is the 50 mm. Just I am marking 50 mm here. Just I am showing it is 50 mm. For dimensioning and all, we know we use 2H pencil and mark it is 50. So this distance, how many divisions we have to do it? We know the ratio is equivalent to 3/2. It is more than 1, so it is hyperbola only. So how we have to consider it? So we have to add numerator plus denominator. Numerator is 3, denominator is 2, is equivalent to 5. That means that we have to do this OF1 distance into 5 divisions. Because it is 50 mm, we can easily do it 5 divisions. So see how we can do 5 divisions. So this is one division for 10 mm. It is more division. This is another division like this. We are getting. I am marking it. All of you see it. This is 1. This is 2, 3, 4, and this becomes 5. Now we have to divide this distance into in the ratio of 3/2. So 3 is towards the focus. 3 divisions is towards the focus. 2 divisions towards the directrix. So here, so you know it is one division, the other division and more division. So these are the 3 divisions and these are the 2 divisions. So I will mark this point as V. Here we have to mark as V. That means the vertex is there from here. Now draw the line from here. You draw the line, 2H line from this place. Use mini drafter only to draw the perpendicular for this. Draw the line. Right? Draw the line like as this. Now use compass like as this. See the compass and take this distance. Take the distance from here to here, VF1, and draw the arc towards the line we are extended from V. Right? Now we got this point as some S, any point you can give it, some point S. Now we have to join O to S and extend it. So we are having O and we are having S and extend it. Like as this. Use mini drafter only. Yes, that much of the distance I am taking. We just extend it. Now we have to divide this distance from V into number of divisions. Any number of divisions we can do it. For if you are taking some equidistance, we are getting the curve properly. So moreover, the curve is going to be looking so uniform. So use take the distance as 5 mm between two lines. So I am taking one line here. One more line here, another line here. So totally we got, this is I can already we are given 5 points. I am marking this as 6 point, and this point already 3 is there. Of course I can give one more point, no problem, on the same line, and or otherwise yes, I will give 7, no problem. We just for understanding only I am telling about the 3 and 7 are on the same line, no problem. This is becoming 8, this is becoming 9, this becomes 10, this becomes 11. Then you go for another 2-3 points. See here, this is I am writing 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You take 2 more points, 12 points, like that you take it. This is the 12, 13. Okay, you take it up to 13 points, no problem. It is 12, it is 13. Now what you have to do is use mini drafter, draw the perpendicular lines from here. Mini drafter only you have to do is, you keep your mini drafter scale parallel to it, one scale, use another scale to draw the number of points. So this is one line, upside and downside. This is another line, upside and downside. So I am marking this point as 6 dash, 7 dash, then 8 dash, upside and downside, then 9 dash, 9 dash, then 10 dash, 10 dash, it is 11 dash. Use the 2H pencil. This is 11 dash, this is 12 dash, this is 13 dash. Use upside and downside, like no problem. So this is 13 dash. So see it how I am doing it. This is 13 dash. See how I am doing it. Now just see it how we have to get the P1 point. See, for P1 point I am taking this distance from 6 to 6 dash, 6 to 6 dash, please remember 6 to 6 dash distance. Cut the same 6 to 6 dash distance from F. Where is F? We are already having F here. So from F I am marking it neatly so that we can identify this F point. This is F point. So from this F point, cut 6 to 6 distance. You take 6 to 6, cut same 6 to 6 from F. Same line, upside and downside. This is upside, this is downside. So this point I am marking as P1. This point I am marking as P1. The bottom side I am marking as P1 dash. Right. P2. So take the distance of 7 to 7 dash up to this line. Cut the same 7 to 7 dash from here, upside and downside. So I am marking this point as P2. This point I am marking as P2 dash. Like, then takes 8 to 8 dash, 8 to 8 dash distance. Cut the same 8 to 8 dash from F, same F. We are getting somewhere here. We are getting somewhere here. Then take the distance of 9 to 9. Cut the same 9 to 9 dash from here. From F, we are getting the point like this. From you take take the distance of 10 to 10, cut the same 10 to 10 dash, we are getting somewhere here, like this. 11 to 11 you take it, cut from same F1, we are getting here. 12 you take it, 12 to 12 dash, you take the distance from here to here, cut from here. I will show you this. It is 12, 12 to 12 dash, write it now, this is 12 to 12 dash. Cut same distance, cut the same line from F. When you are cutting this, you are going to have somewhere here, almost end point. Likewise, we have to do it even at bottom. Downside also we have to do it. So here we are getting somewhere here. It is, I am marking as this is some point. Likewise. So whatever the point we are getting, mark it. Now join all the points. Just I am taking all these points here. So join all the points. So with smooth curve, with HB pencil, very neatly, you are getting the curve. You have to join from V only because it is vertex. So just see, you are getting the curve like this. You are also getting the curve. Like, see, very wide curve we are going to have it. This is how we have to draw the hyperbola. Now we have to draw the tangent and normal to the curve at a distance of 40 mm from the directrix. Just measure 40 mm from here. Use this mini drafter scale, 40 mm. This is 40 mm. Just see, this is 40 mm. So you draw the vertical line. You are having mini drafter scale like this, no? This you are getting somewhere here. So at this point you have to draw tangent and normal. So at this point, let us say it is Q. On Q you have to draw the tangent and normal. How you have to do it? This is Q. I am marking it. That is Q. So this is I am marking as Q. This Q point I have to draw the tangent and normal. You take it, the distance of F1 to Q, join it, very light pencil. Then draw the perpendicular for this. You keep your mini drafter scale like this and make it tight, and use another scale to draw the perpendicular to meet directrix. It is the perpendicular line for this line. Please remember. Mini drafter only you have to do it. Otherwise, see here, you have to keep it mini drafter like this. You have to use another scale to draw the perpendicular to meet directrix. Otherwise, what happens is you are not getting perpendicular properly. So this point I can give any point some u. Now we have to join. Now we have to join u to q and extend it. U to q and extend it. See here. U to q. This is becoming the tangent. Then normal, how you have to do it? Keep your scale mini drafter scale parallel to it. Use another scale to draw the perpendicular from this point. So if it is the parallel and it is the perpendicular, we are going to have like as this. So I am marking some points like this. I am marking this point as some T to T dash tangent. It is normal N to N dash. So just I am rubbing it. So this is what this directrix I am about to write it. It is the directrix. I am putting the arrow towards showing the directrix. So it is N. I am rubbing it further to understand properly. So it is N and N dash normal, T and T dash tangent. Now you just write all the things about this hyperbola here. Write hyperbola by using 6 mm letters very neatly here. Hyperbola. Then E is equivalent to 3 by 2. Then OF1 is equivalent to 50 mm. Then write it T dash tangent. Use HB pencil, write the lettering. Then N dash normal. N dash normal. This how you have to do it? N dash normal. See here, T dash tangent. N dash normal. Right? This is the tangent. Write with HB pencil very neatly, no problem. This is how you have to do it. So if you are doing very neatly like this, you can get very good marks. Right? All of you complete it and try to submit in time. So I am requesting all of you, once again I will tell you, this problem number is in the series 1, 2, 3. So write 3 here, like this. And see, I will tell you about this drawing sheet. This is the drawing sheet you are having. You are having title block at this corner. You just accommodate first question here, or otherwise you can start with 2. No problem, because I have handled second question here, first play. You can take second, then you can go for first likewise. You do second question somewhere here. And third question, middle you can do it, no problem. If sometimes if you are unable to accommodate it, you complete 2 questions one side, third question other side. This is how we are going to do the CONIC sections and complete it, all the questions, submit this sheet in time. Thank you.